And then heard a crack.
Mm-hmm. She said she wasn't that flexible, but she really is, because look at her heel, almost touches. Mm-hmm. She's very flexible. Go sideways. So all I'm doing right here is making sure the client can be put into a pretzel or crisscross applesauce before I do this next move. You want to make sure that they're bendy or flexible and that you can fold them in different positions, because if you just go straight into this position that you're about to see, you could hurt somebody's kneecaps, tear a meniscus, PCL, ACL, LCL, and all types of hells. So make sure you stretch them out first before doing this move right here. And this is like an ultimate back, leg, quad stretch, hip stretch, lat stretch, kneecap. And if you push down on the back side of the dorsal foot, you can also get your tibialis anterior stretch, common peroneal stretch, extensor muscles in the lower leg, and the big toe. Possibly even the 4 little toes or your foot, period. So just make sure you take precautions and stretch them properly before you even go into that type of move. So here I'm putting her into the frog woman position, just like you're playing frog man, frog woman, about to leapfrog. Stroking that forearm and elbow all into the gluteus maximus, minimus, and medius. Or I should have said medius than minimus. And it feels good. So when your woman is laying in bed, put her in the frog position. Throw that elbow in there. Oh, she'll thank you later. Oh yeah, see right there on that side? That's gluteus minimus and medius. Minimus is the deepest one, and medius is on top of that. But they're on the side of our hip. Those are still butt muscles. And what lies on top of that is gluteus maximus. And we had a training class a little earlier before I did this video, and that's when you see other people coming into the room, taking the plastic, and they're going into the other room to practice. And this is all you do to warm up the leg before you go into a stretch. We did it. She survived.
Do it to take at least like that much extra off so that you can cover, you know. Okay. Gotcha. You'll see it. It'll be already.
Right there, we survived. We made it. All right, you can play with the gun now.
Or